Rust-Oleum's glass family of finishes are decorative and functional coatings that transform glass into one-of-a-kind showpieces for the home. Whether you want to transform clear glass into a mirror, add a frosted or sea glass look, your finished piece is just a few steps away. In this video, we'll introduce you to our family of glass coatings and show you how easy they are to apply. It's important to make sure the glass you are painting is clean. Use glass cleaner and a lint-free microfiber cloth to clean and dry the surface before you begin. To create a truly unique showpiece, add tape or adhesive stencils to mask off parts of your project. Rust-Oleum's mirror effect coating creates a reflective finish when sprayed onto the reverse side of any piece of glass or acrylic glass. To apply this unique coating, hold the can 20 to 30 centimeters from the back of your project and apply 4 to 5 very light coats. You can watch the glass turn into a mirror right before your eyes. Rust-Oleum's frosted glass finish comes in two colors, opaque and sea glass. Both add a frosted layer while remaining translucent. This coating can be used to add privacy to windows and shower doors and can also create the look of etched glass. Now you can use your imagination and create the perfect glass masterpieces for your home. For additional information and how-to videos on a wide range of Rust-Oleum products, visit rustoleum.co.za.